Hey starters, so in today's video I wanted to give you a little update into why I've stopped researching designs, uploading designs to Merch by Amazon, and why you haven't seen any Merch by Amazon videos on this channel for a while. So that is all going to come in just a second, but as we are midway through the month, I'm just going to give a little update into where I am in the $100,000 challenge. At the end of month one, at the end of February 2019, I'd made $2,871. We're now midway through March and I made an additional $1,115. So in total now, 6 weeks in, I have made $4,286 out of the $100,000 I'm trying to make in 12 months. Tune in at the end of March for my full March update where I break those down into exactly where I've made money from what source. So back onto Merch by Amazon and why I've stopped being active on the platform. To understand the decision around that, we really need to understand why I started this channel and why I started Merch by Amazon. So if we jump over to my channel starting up, I originally started this channel 2.5 years ago when I was looking for new, innovative ways of making money. So I was looking for ways to make money that would allow me to be anywhere in the world and work anytime I wanted. Now, I just arrived in Canada, I needed to make money over there, and I wanted to do a lot more traveling. So I was looking for income that I could earn anywhere in the world on my own time. And one of the reasons for that was, I just left a job where I felt that I wasn't able to explore my creativity or sort of explore my potential by working the 9-to-5 job. And I also missed the freedom that I'd had in my younger years from being at university and going traveling. So I wanted to find a new way of building a life where I could get that freedom back and get that excitement back, and it just wasn't going to happen in the 9-to-5 job. So I was exploring income sources online. And as you can see, I tried different things out. So I was looking at this thing called dropshipping, which is basically a version of e-commerce. I then moved on to trying freelancing out, and I made a few videos you can see here about freelancing. And then eventually I got onto the topic of Merch by Amazon. A few months later, we can see here in my video, my Merch by Amazon invitation finally came. And that was all part of me trying to find this new way of making income online and being able to work when I wanted to work, from where I wanted to work. So I was really excited that my Merch by Amazon invitation had arrived and I could start on the platform. It seemed like a really cool opportunity. You just upload designs onto Amazon and you target people who are already browsing on Amazon, so you don't have to pay anyone to come to your products. They're already on the website. You target those existing users and upload designs. You don't have to make any products yourself, and you make money through the platform. And if we jump over to my Merch by Amazon dashboard, we're going to go back to some of the analytics now. And as you can see, if we go back to the start of my Merch by Amazon journey, things started really slow. February 2018, I was making $6 in the first month, $9 in the second month, $27, $18. So things started really slow. And what I was getting out of Merch by Amazon compared to what I was putting into it just didn't seem to be very cost effective or very lucrative. I was putting all this time into creating new designs, uploading designs, trying to hit that upload limit, trying to level up through the level system. And for the amount of work I was putting in, I wasn't really making much money back. So very early on, the first 4 months were quite low for me. I was getting quite disillusioned with Merch by Amazon. But then you can see here in month 5, I had an explosive month with $660 earned in a single month. And in month 6, that went up to $946. And this was all from one design that just blew up, went viral and took off on Amazon for me. So this kind of brought back my optimism and faith in the platform. I just thought I just need to repeat what I did in this instance with a different design, have the same amount of success, and Merch by Amazon was well worth the effort. But as you can see, that one-hit wonder design that I had slowly died off. My figures slowly started going back down again. Had a little spike in December because of Christmas, but back down again to $240 and then now to $50 in the last month. And I eventually realized that this thing that happened back in June 2018, July 2018, was really a one-hit wonder, and it wasn't something that's easily repeatable. I think I was just super lucky in this instance, and it's an amount of success I haven't been able to repeat ever since. But one thing that has been repeated ever since is the amount of input, the work that I'm doing, researching, designing, uploading, keeping track of current trends and trying to fight off the competition. The amount of input compared to the amount of reward I'm getting is not balanced in my favor. It's not in the direction that I'd want it to be. So going back to that original reason why I started the channel and I started exploring these ways of making money online, I had an epiphany. You know, I discovered that what I'm really looking for is passive income. That is really the goal that I'm working towards, where you do a set amount of work up front, but the payoff that you get after that is so lucrative and it lasts for such a long time. So it moves away from trading time to money, which was something that I wasn't really able to do with Merch by Amazon. I was working every night researching, uploading to earn not much money. But with this new thing called passive income that I'd learned about, I could do work for a set amount of time, but the payoff would be long lasting and way more beneficial, and the ratio would be way more in my favor than it was with Merch by Amazon. And you know, Merch by Amazon is a source of passive income because for the last 2 months, I haven't been doing anything, and I made $240 last month and $50 this month. So it is a source of passive income, but for the amount of work I did up until this point to what I'm getting paid off now, it just doesn't seem as worth it as some of the way more lucrative forms of passive income that I've also stumbled on during my time of exploring online entrepreneurship. So for example, affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and getting paid a commission for every successful sale that you promote. I've made so much more money with affiliate marketing and put so much fewer hours of work into it than I did with Merch by Amazon. So I made $20,000 with affiliate marketing in the last 12 months, and I'm trying to get that up to $100,000 in the next 12 months. And secondly, money from YouTube AdSense. This is the money that YouTube pays me for the AdWords that play before my video. Just jumping into my analytics now, if I go to what I've made all time, so in the lifetime of my channel being live, you can see that I've made just under $17,000 just for making 1 or 2 videos a week, which takes me like 3 to 4 hours. So there's forms of passive income out there that are way more lucrative than what I was exploring and what I found with Merch by Amazon. And like I said, going back to that original goal that I set when I left that job, and I realized I wasn't happy in my job internally, with lack of fulfillment and lack of creativity and lack of being able to be free and be where I wanted to be, and pursuing passive income. Merch by Amazon just wasn't one of the top lucrative forms of passive income that I discovered along my journey. Now, it's great for people who are new to making money online, maybe those people who have never tried it before, they don't have a background in maybe marketing or tech, and they have a graphic design background. It's great for taking those first steps into earning passive income online, for learning how to target people through search terms and using keywords in your listings, target organic visitors to the Amazon website, or learning how to find trends that go viral, so seasonal trends like Christmas, Easter, or trends referring to things in the news. Like, learning those basics and those fundamentals is an amazing opportunity that you can get through Merch by Amazon and earn money at the same time. But it was just a bit too low level and beginner for what I'm looking for at this stage in my passive income journey. And yes, those other forms of passive income that I'm starting to explore can have a much bigger learning curve and have higher upfront expenses. So for instance, I'm going to be paying a lot more for Facebook and social media advertising in the launch for my information product that I'm working on at the moment. Launching my info product is another form of passive income I'm going to explore, and I need to learn a lot about it, but I feel like it's going to be a lot more lucrative than uploading and designing t-shirts for Merch by Amazon. And having discovered this newfound clarity that passive income is the direction I want to go in has been such a relief. I'm a lot less stressful now because I feel like I'm living the type of life that I want to be living, and I'm going in the right direction. There's a feeling of optimism there that wasn't there before. And secondly, because I'm having to put less work in to earn more money with these other sources of passive income, such as affiliate marketing, YouTube AdSense, the info products I'm looking to launch soon, my work-life balance is getting better. So there's less stress because I've got more free time to enjoy my personal life outside of the time I'm working on passive income sources. So that's why I'm being less prominent in my coverage of Merch by Amazon, because really I've just stopped exploring it myself. I'm still getting money ticked in from the old designs that I designed, and I would recommend anyone that's doing Merch by Amazon to do evergreen designs. So designs that are going to basically appeal to people forever. They're not based on a certain holiday or a certain season. They're going to be things that people are going to be interested in for a long time. That's kind of the strategy I went forward with my Merch by Amazon t-shirts when I was doing those designs, and I'm still getting paid off for it now. So that strategy works. But it's just not lucrative enough for what I'm after at this point in time. So the channel is going to be focusing on other forms of passive income moving forward. So things like affiliate marketing, launching info products, sales funnels, YouTube AdSense. I've got a free beginner's guide to affiliate marketing that you can download. I'll put the link on my website in the description of this video. You can download it just by clicking this button, popping your email address in, and I'll send you that free getting started guide if you want to learn a more lucrative form of passive income. But that's going to be the focus of the channel moving forwards. So if that sounds interesting to you and you want to learn about passive income lessons, tips, tricks for success, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I've made a goal to make $100,000 of passive income in 1 year, so I'll be tracking my progress weekly on this channel. So there'll be some really interesting content for you to follow there. But I felt like this video was overdue because I've just been kind of quiet on the channel for the last couple of months in regards to Merch by Amazon. And I know a lot of people subscribed to this channel when I was releasing Merch by Amazon content, so I want to just give you a bit of an update on that front. If you've got any opinion on this, if you think I should still be doing Merch by Amazon, if I've dismissed it too early, maybe let me know in the comments below and I'll think over what your opinion is and see if I have missed an opportunity there. But I'm really excited with what I'm exploring now, and I really do feel optimistic and just more like confident in the direction I'm going in at this point in time. So thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe to the channel. Hopefully next week I'll have shook off this cold and I can be a bit more lively in my videos. I know I'm a bit flat this week, but I'm just feeling a bit under the weather. But subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your ongoing support. Give this video a like if you found my information and clarity on the situation interesting. And I'll see you very soon. Peace out. Bye.